everybody, I'm Jane Goodall the Gorilla, inviting you this Saturday to the great McKinney's Pre-Demolition Salvage Sale and Party. 3492 South Ocean Boulevard. Everything in this house goes. Flooring, light fixtures, furniture, fishing equipment, tasers, Encyclopedia Britannicus, and we have entertainment. Everything in the house must go. Brick pavers, appliances, for the benefit of Frank McKinney's Caring House Project Foundation. Even a boat goes with your donation. So, come over, 3492 South Ocean Boulevard. All the information is right here, including the entertainment. The great Pedro Juan Fangio will be there. A food truck from Hurricane Alley. 9 to 5. Bring the checkbook. Bring your Caring House Project Foundation credit card, and we'll take your donation. Everything must go. You can take the entire house for $25,000. See you Saturday. This Saturday, April 8th, 9 to 5. Entertainment, Hurricane Alley food truck, and Jane Goodall, the Pink Gorilla.